Hi friends, welcome to my channel. If you're new, welcome back if you're a returning subscriber. My name's Jonathan. I make luxury videos, unboxings, and reviews. And today we have a very special Louis Vuitton unboxing, so let's get into it. So this is going to be a little bit of a bittersweet unboxing. It is my last order that I was waiting for, so I have no more orders pending validation. I've collected them all, but I've been waiting for this one for a while, ever since they dropped in July. So let's get into it. So I went ahead and picked this one up in store like I do for most of my orders. And for this one, I had asked the sales associate if I could wear this piece out. I normally don't do that, but I was very, very excited for this piece. So let's go ahead and open it up. So this is the box that it did come in. Obviously it's not wrapped or anything. As I mentioned, I did wear the piece out, and it did come with a dust bag and the card. So this is the code if anybody is interested. It is currently available on the Louis Vuitton website with no long lead times. So if you're looking to grab one of these pieces, go ahead. As you can tell from the card, what I got was the Louis bear from the 2025 ski collection. This bear is so adorable in person, but if I'm being completely honest, I do not know how Louis Vuitton justified the price point. So this item currently retails on the Louis Vuitton website for 1,760 Canadian dollars, and just after sales tax, that is about $1,989. So just shy of 2,000, which I think is very steep for a bag charm. Their other bag charms range from like $500 to $1,500, but for this one, I don't know why it's $2,000. Granted, the details are impeccable, like the monogram on the little snowboard, on the zipper pull. You can even see the details in his eyes, and then the goggles have the damier print on it, and it does say Louis Vuitton. In the back, like the details are incredible on this, but I'm hoping I'm not going to be collecting these because I admit these are ridiculously expensive. Here is what he looks like hanging off of my Speedy 30, the Keepall XS, the Nano Speedy from the Animal Collection, and the On The Go BB. And here is a quick side-by-side between a Popmart Labubu and the Louis Vuitton version of the Labubu. Super adorable. Which one do you prefer? Thank you so much for watching. I really do hope you enjoyed today's video. If you like this kind of content or just want to see more of me, definitely hit that like and subscribe button. It really does help my channel grow. And with that being said, I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.